100% I support it, because we can't be here seeing people dying, whether Christian, whether Muslim. That's not the important. The important thing, and people are really dying. Seeing it, if you are a human being that have heart, you can't even sleep. You can't sleep. If I'm leaving to work in the morning, my head, I'm just thinking of it. What is all this that is going on in Nigeria? What is all this? And it's a shameful thing. Do you know, in my working place, like last month, somebody was calling me Bokoharam.
Huh?
Yes.
Somebody was calling you Bokoharam in your working place in Italy.
In my working place.
Who is the person in Nigeria?
He's not in Nigeria. He's not in Nigeria. He's not. People are afraid now.
Is the person from Africa?
Yes, he's from North Africa.
Probably Morocco or Egypt.
Yeah.
So they are calling you Bokoharam. Anyway, yes, Sister Mercy, we have exhausted your time, but this is not laughable. This, you see, the name the person called you, whether he's a man or she's a woman, I don't know. The name the person called you Bokoharam, that is how people look at you as a Nigerian. Everywhere you go. They look at you as a Bokoharam, look at them. They are sponsoring jihadists in their country. That is the way they look at you, whether you like it or not.
Our image has been damaged. Do you know, if there was somebody that is promised to come with me to Nigeria? Now the person she's totally discouraged. She's totally discouraged. Nobody wants to come. Good evening. Good evening. Are you hearing me?
Yeah. We can hear you. Thanks for joining us. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you for having me here.
Where are you joining us from?
I'm from Italy.
Okay.
From Italy. Yeah.
All right.
It's long I've been following your video, and I really like the way you are doing things, and I think Nigeria is our home, and we in the diaspora, I think we are very concerned. Like me, most especially, I'm very concerned because I love my country. I was born and brought up in Nigeria, and precisely Edo State. In this very moment, I think Nigeria is not okay, and we also have kids here. Most of us, we have kids here, and it's long we have been here also. So many of us, we want our kids to come home with us. And as you know, Nigeria is a very big country, and most people in Africa, they love Nigerians. And the way we put ourselves outside here, many people want to associate with us. Most especially me, I'm an advocate of Nigeria. Like me, sometimes I cook Nigerian food, even Nigerian food for my colleagues and all. So many of them, they want to come with us. So if we don't have a place to call home now, I don't really know. We are suffering here. So
right.
I
want to ask you a question about that. You say you are from Edo State.
Yes.
I don't know whether you are from Edo North.
No, I'm not from Edo North. I'm
all right. That is to say Oshomonde is not your senator, because Oshomonde told us that in Edo North, that there is army barrack in Edo North. And in that army barrack, close to the army barrack, people are being kidnapped. All these militias are terrorizing close to the military barrack. Now, the question is, what do you understand, or what do you know about the insecurity in Nigeria?
The insecurity in Nigeria is getting worse. And this insecurity began a little by little. In 2015, I can remember vividly. You understand? So from there, that is when the insecurity starts. So I believe that the northern side is the most problem of Nigeria. Is the northern side. And again, Edo State now, Edo State is not like the way we live it before. Now it's very, very hard for people to even come out in Edo State. You can even hear of one incident that just happened newly in Edo State. There was one guy that they called Chibuzo, the Fulani or the Aboki or the Hausas, I don't know, that they killed the guy because of the goodness the guy is doing in the society. You understand? Because of a bike he bought for this Aboki.
I'm aware of that.
You hear of that? So the thing is so devastated that.
So do you think that the way this country is going like this, what do you think that it is the solution to the way this country is going like this?
The solution is this now. It's not supposed to be violent. The constitution is supposed to come to amendment that this country should be divided.
Okay.
The country should be divided. Like it's like Nnamdi Kanu case now. I've been following it up also like 4 years now. You understand? And if you look at what this man has been saying, I just think it's the truth. We should just come out and say the truth, especially we in the diaspora. And I think it's time for us to be coming out to say what is in our mind, especially we living in Italy now. I think we don't have so much voice. We are not voicing out enough. I can see people from maybe America, UK, or Canada, in other places, they are really voicing out. But we in Italy, I think that we are really quiet here. So me, I've been following all these things. I'm a lover of Nigeria. Even my children, they always quarrel with me sometimes that leave this Nigeria. I tell them this is where they gave birth to me. It's like half of my life is there. So I can't right now. I can't even sleep. I can't.
Honestly, it's unfortunate, but I like it that you are getting troubled by it. You know why? I know a lot of people who are not even troubled at all. Like, they look at what is going on. It doesn't give them sleepless nights. They don't think about their children. And I also love the fact you are even talking about your children. A lot of people are not even thinking about their children. No. They are not thinking about what the future holds for them. Because you made a statement, you said Edo State was not like this before. But now, look at how it is. So if within the space of 5 years or 6 years, Edo State have changed, what will be the future of Edo State in the next 10 years if everything continues like this? So the last question I would like to ask you, Sister Mercy, what do you perceive about the U.S. military intervention that Trump promised to come, not to bomb Nigeria, but to bomb the terrorists who are killing people in Nigeria? What is your perception about that?
My perception is this, if I can tell you the truth, it's a very good idea. For me, it's a very good idea. In as far as they are coming to help with the insecurity, for me, it's a very good idea. I support it. 100% I support it, because we can't be here seeing people dying, whether Christian, whether Muslim. That's not the important. The important thing, people are really dying. Seeing it, if you are a human being that have heart, you can't even sleep. You can't sleep. If I'm leaving to work in the morning, my head, I'm just thinking of it. What is all this that is going on in Nigeria? What is all this? And it's a shameful thing. Do you know, in my working place, like last month, somebody was calling me Bokoharam.
Huh?
Yes.
Somebody was calling you Bokoharam in your working place in Italy?
In my working place.
Who is the person in Nigeria?
He's not in Nigeria. He's not in Nigeria. He's not. People are afraid now.
Is the person from Africa?
Yes, he's from North Africa.
Probably Morocco or Egypt.
Yeah.
So they are calling you Boko Haram. Anyway, Sister Mercy, we have exhausted your time, but this is not laughable. This, you see, the name the person called you, whether he's a man or she's a woman, I don't know. The name the person called you Boko Haram, that is how people look at you as a Nigerian. Everywhere you go. They look at you as a Boko Haram. Look at them. They are sponsoring jihadists in their country. That is the way they look at you, whether you like it or not.
Our image has been damaged. Do you know, if there was somebody that is promised to come with me to Nigeria? Now the person she's totally discouraged. She's totally discouraged. Nobody wants to come. Nobody wants to come with you.
But freedom is coming. That is the truth. Okay. I love it that we have, different cultures in Nigeria. You see, like Edo State, there are so many countries in Europe, like Monaco, Saint Marina, Luxembourg. Edo State is bigger than these countries.
Yes.
So if what's going to worse, let me give you an example. Do you think if Edo State is a country, Oba of Benin is like a president, fear will let any useless militia or terrorists to invade Edo State? They're not born the person well. You understand? So when people are talking about the issue of having their own state, I support them because I understand what sovereignty is. Nigeria that you see today, there are some people who already understand the sovereignty of Nigeria. The sovereignty of Nigeria is that Nigeria should be dominated by the extremists. They want the sovereignty of extremists in Nigeria. So if you don't want to become an extremist or these jihadists, and you are in Nigeria and you still want to support them, get ready because you are going to become it or they kill you. That is just the two options. Anyway, Sister Mercy, thank you so much.
I'm happy to join you on live today because it has been long. I always follow you. It has been long. I'm really happy today. I won't lie to you that I can't even speak my mind out at all because I've been saying it. I think we don't need to keep quiet again because we suffer.
People who are not talking are dying. So people who talk, if you want to die, you let everybody. That one is no longer my concern. So we must say the truth because the future posterity is going to remember everything that someone does.
Yes. Thank you so much.
We have a lot of people to bring online. I really appreciate you, Sister Mercy. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
All right. All right.